Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody, and welcome to another lesson, okay, in English for second year baccalaureate, all levels, okay, جميع المستويات. Today, after the first video, I have decided to make this video on phrasal verbs. Why? Because the majority of students find it hard to learn these verbs, and maybe they don't know why. Okay. Now, today we are going to make things look simple. Now, and we start with the first question, which is, what is a phrasal verb? Okay. So, what's a phrasal verb? Okay. Now, to answer this question, we should know that phrasal verbs are made of two parts. Okay, in the first part we have a stem verb, and in the second one we have a preposition, or what we call also a particle. Okay, take an example. For instance, give. Okay, up. Okay, take for example put, off. Okay, sorry. Take for example another one. For example, take off. Okay. Now what happens is when you add a preposition to the verb meaning changes. Okay. So, what does it mean, give up? It means stop. Example, give up smoking. Put off. It means postpone. For example, put out a meeting. Okay? Postpone. Okay? Take off. It could mean either one, take off. It means take off clothes, for example, undress, get undressed. Or two, a plane takes off, it means leave ground. So as you can see, the verb meaning has completely changed from give to stop, from put to postpone, from take to undress or leave ground. Okay, and this is as a result of adding these particles to the main verb. Now, how are we going to know all these meanings? Are we going to learn from a list and try to learn by rote? For example, try to remember all these, okay, from a list. This is not right. This is not correct. We cannot do that because our memories are constrained. We cannot learn everything just by heart, okay? So the best way, in my opinion, and in the opinion of all English teachers who are experienced and I know how people go learning languages, the best way is to use them in context, or to read, for example, and to do a lot of listening, okay? For example, in daily native English, speakers, and that's the best way in my opinion. Right, now we'll start today by talking about some characteristics of these phrasal verbs, okay? And the first one is that some phrasal verbs can have double meanings, okay? If you take for instance this one, so take off is an example. It's an example of a verb that has double meanings. We'll see more, okay? We'll see more examples. Okay, take for instance, okay, we have first characteristics. Of phrasal verbs. some characteristics of phrasal verbs. Okay, let's take the first one. We say, for example, some verbs, some phrasal verbs have double meanings. Okay, an example is the one that we have just cited. Is, for example, take up. Take up, it could mean either start, for example, I started jogging, or an activity, for example, any activity, start an activity. So somebody is suffering from obesity, for example. Somebody is just overweight and he wants to, keep in shape. So the best way is to start jogging, for example, doing some physical exercise. Number two, take up, it means accept an invitation. Okay, accept an invitation. Okay, take another example. For instance, take turn down. Turn down, it could mean one. For example, turn down the volume, turn down the TV, turn down the radio. Okay, reduce the volume. Okay, of TV or radio. Okay, number two is decline an invitation. Or refuse an invitation. So as you can see here, this we have cited just two of them, but there are so many of them. Okay, so they can have double meanings. Okay, we move to another